Hey everybody, Sean and Allison here from Spoken Garden.
Happy Monday.
Happy Monday.
It is day 49.
Wow, cool.
Starting off a new week with new projects. We're the quarantine gardeners, Sean and Allison.
Yep, if you didn't know, we're here to help inspire you, let you know we're here gardening and you can do that too. So today we're going to go over some watering tips, kind of a part two from what we did earlier. I can't remember what day that was, but today we're going to give you some more watering tips and just show you what to do and what not to do for the health of your plants. So guys, we're in our backyard. I'm going to show you how to water our Hot Lips Salvia or sage plant. It is a beautiful plant. It's deciduous and it does really well here. It smells really nice, just like a sage. And so I'm going to show you how to water it. And what we have here, just to let you know, we have a dram watering wand, or rain wand is what they call it. And this is a 16-inch. They have them in longer lengths that just came out this spring, and you can check those out on the links below, both this size and the longer size down below. They also come in different colors, pretty much every color of the rainbow. So all the primary colors, super cool. So these wands are really fun to use because they have a really fun and easy thumb switch to use, and it's just super smooth, really nice. Also on this wand I want to mention, it has different types of watering settings, and so you turn it on and then you got that comes off. You got a mister, got another type of mister, another one, and then you got the jet, clean stuff with, and then here's the one we like to use, the shower setting, and this is what we use to water most of our plants here in the garden. So, okay, so watering the Hot Lips. First tip, don't water the top of the plant. There's no reason to do this. You're not helping the plant really. What you're doing when you do that is you're wetting down all the leaf surface, and you're giving a nice environment for bacteria and fungus and some different pests out there to actually come in here and start nesting and developing and hurt your plant. So don't do this. Plus, if you do this and it's really hot, you'll burn the leaves. You run the risk of burning the leaves of a lot of different plants. So just in general, don't do that. What you want to do is you want to water the bottom of the plant down below, the soil, because this is where the plant actually takes up the water. The plant takes the water up through its roots in the soil, and it distributes it up into the leaves and the stems and its flowers. So this is what you want to do, just like this. If you guys just noticed, we had some little white things coming down while we were filming here. We have a mountain ash behind us, and it's in full bloom, and some of the flowers in the wind of the petals break off and they fall down, and that's what you were seeing. Pretty cool. So back to it. So guys, in summary, don't water the top of the plant, water down below in the soil area. So your second tip, you want to give a good deep watering to your plants. And you might have heard that before. And what that really means is you want to water the area around your plants, the soil, for a long period of time. Give it a good soaking. And you don't want to flood the area. You want the soil to naturally take the water in, not flood, and let that water filter down to as low of a point in the soil profile down below as you can, because that keeps the water down there. The theory is longer. The other part of deep watering is you don't water as frequently as you would, say, on a regular schedule, like every day. You would water maybe every other day or every 3 days. And what that does is it trains the plants to seek the water out and to become a little bit more hardy in your garden. Now, you wouldn't want to do that to newly planted plants like you just planted this year. You got to have a regular watering schedule for anything that you planted in the first year, because you got to get them established. Then, once they're established, then you can do that deep watering and get them a little bit hardier and a little bit stronger in your garden. So guys, those are our real quick tips on watering. Hopefully those were useful for you.
Coming up soon on our educational content on YouTube, we're going to have more watering videos and watering tips, how to water, how to deep water. We'll go into that in a little more length coming up really soon. So stay tuned if you need more help with that. Keep checking back to our channel.
If you have any questions or comments, put them down below, and make sure to give us that thumbs up to let us know we're doing a good job. And subscribe to our channel so you get updates on our newest content and videos.
And stay tuned for tomorrow's video. We'll be back on Tuesday, day 50.
Oh my gosh.
And we'll have another new project to present to you guys and talk to you about. So we'll see you tomorrow. Have a great day ahead.
Yep.
Bye, everybody.
Yep, stay safe. Bye-bye.